If you find your Facebook account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision to regain access. Follow these steps to submit your appeal effectively. Step 1. Review the reason for restriction. Understand why your account was restricted by checking your notifications or email from Facebook. This will help you address the specific issue in your appeal. Step 2. Visit the Help Center. Go to the Facebook Help Center by searching for it in your browser. Look for the section on account restrictions or appeals to find relevant information and resources. Step 3. Fill out the appeal form. Locate the appeal form provided by Facebook. Fill it out with accurate information, including your account details and a clear explanation of why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Step 4. Provide supporting evidence. If applicable, include any evidence that supports your case, such as screenshots or documentation. This can help strengthen your appeal and clarify any misunderstandings. Step 5. Submit your appeal. Once you have completed the form and attached any necessary evidence, submit your appeal. Be patient, as it may take some time for Facebook to review your case and respond. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction on Facebook. Good luck!